Want to spend less on gas without buying a new car? Here are simple habits that save you money and the planet. Welcome back to Eco-Friendly Fact, where we connect environmental issues with your daily life in the USA. Gas prices have been on a roller coaster recently, and many of us feel the pinch at the pump. While global events can push prices up, there are simple things you can do right now to reduce how much fuel you use. This video will share easy driving habits, maintenance tips, and planning strategies that save money and cut your carbon footprint. Let's dive in. Step 1. Drive smarter. Keeping your foot light on the accelerator is one of the easiest ways to boost fuel efficiency. Studies show that avoiding rapid acceleration and hard braking can improve fuel economy by up to 40% in stop-and-go traffic. Use cruise control when you're on the highway. Maintaining a steady speed helps your car run more efficiently. In fact, every 5 miles per hour over 50 miles per hour decreases your fuel economy as if you were paying an extra 30 cents per gallon. And when you know you'll be stopped for more than a minute, say at a railway crossing, turn off the engine. Idling for more than 60 seconds wastes fuel. Lastly, lighten your load. Remove heavy sports gear, tools, or boxes you've been meaning to drop off. Every extra 100 pounds in your vehicle can reduce fuel economy by up to 2%. Step 2. Maintain your vehicle. A well-maintained vehicle runs more efficiently and uses less fuel. Check your tire pressure once a month. Properly inflated tires can improve gas mileage by up to 3%. Replace your air filter regularly, because a clean filter helps your engine breathe easier and improves acceleration. Follow the manufacturer's recommendation for motor oil. The right grade reduces friction and can improve fuel economy by 1 to 2%. Regular tune-ups and fixing faulty oxygen sensors are also important. A bad sensor can reduce mileage by up to 40%. Step 3. Plan and save at the pump. Being strategic about when and where you buy fuel can save you money. Download a gas price app to compare prices in real time. Many stations raise prices before the weekend, so Monday through Wednesday often offer the lowest prices of the week. Joining loyalty programs or using Warehouse Club gas stations can shave 5 to 10 cents per gallon off your bill. Plan your errands to avoid multiple short trips. According to fuel economy experts, several short trips from a cold start can use twice as much fuel as one longer trip covering the same distance. Combine errands into one round, avoid rush hour traffic, and carpool or take public transit when possible. Not only does this save fuel, but it also reduces congestion and pollution. Real-life examples. Meet Carlos, a delivery driver in Texas. By using cruise control on highways and removing heavy tools from its trunk, he increased his weekly miles per gallon by almost 15% and saved roughly $15 a week on gas. Sarah in Illinois checks her tire pressure every month and plans her grocery shopping and school drop-offs in one trip. She noticed she fills up her 12-gallon tank every 10 days instead of every week. These small changes add up and free up money for other essentials. Environmental and sustainability perspective. Saving fuel isn't just about saving money, it's about reducing our impact on the environment. Burning gasoline releases carbon dioxide, a major contributor to climate change. If everyone in the USA improved fuel economy by just 3% through better maintenance, it could collectively reduce millions of tons of CO2 emissions each year. Cutting down on idling, driving smoothly, and combining trips not only lower your fuel bill, but also mean less smog and cleaner air for our communities. Practical tips. Keep your tires properly inflated and your car well maintained. Avoid jackrabbit starts. Accelerate gradually and use cruise control when you can. Turn off the engine during long waits and remove unnecessary weight. Use apps to find cheaper fuel and fill up early in the week. Combine errands, carpool, and consider biking or walking when possible. Small adjustments can make a big difference for your wallet and the planet. Thanks for watching.
By adopting these simple habits, you can keep more money in your pocket and contribute to a cleaner, healthier USA. Do you have a favorite fuel-saving tip? Share it in the comments below. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to Eco-Friendly Fact for more sustainable living tips, and hit the notification bell so you never miss an update. Together, we can drive toward a more eco-friendly future.